Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is called Newsam. Thank you all for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. So I do try to bring in all the different types of current events that are happening, and people are trying to find more info on it. So now that the coronavirus lockdown is slowly lifting in several states in the United States, this means that people will obviously start to resume work back in their offices, companies, retail work, or any other work-related environment. So most likely schools will remain closed. So the main concern for parents will be mostly daycare and summer camps that are opening up in the coming weeks. So in terms of will summer camps open, it's very undecided still. Some camps have clearly said that they don't want to open this summer, and some who do want to, they will have to make changes in terms of maintaining a healthy environment and taking all precautions. And keep in mind, before they even decide to open, they have to look at how many people will want to register, how much the budget will cost, and those type of expenditures. Parents, most importantly, want to make sure that summer camp will be safe for their children. Day camp operators usually plan months ahead of their opening day, but many of the camps are keep moving forward, so many with changes in regard to new guidelines. According to Director Andy Pritkin, which is a day camp in Bordentown, New Jersey, called at Liberty Lake Day Camp, they plan to hire extra full-time nurses, and Andy believes that the extra employees will be needed for new practices and safety measures, such as him saying that we just spent $5,000 on 108 gallons of hand sanitizer. So definitely more staff is needed. Another camp, which is actually an overnight camp, is called YMCA Camp Ernst, located on 365 acres in Burlington, Kentucky. Now, the executive director, who is Elizabeth Cochran, said that she is deciding to do health screenings in the middle of the day, such as measure the employees and each child's temperature. She also plans to keep small groups of kids and let the staff serve the meals when with their own hands rather than passing the bowls along to the kids during meal times. So definitely they're trying to do less contact as possible. The main concern parents should be asking these sites are what and in which way precautions will be implemented in order to reduce any type of risk. Some critical questions can be, are face masks required for children and employees? How will the staff serve meals? Will groups remain small while keeping social distance in mind? And wherever the children do play, like at playgrounds, pools, or sports field or any other type of activity, will and what are the new norms being practiced for them to keep themselves healthy, safety in mind as a top priority. And for those parents who did register in advance but now do not wish to send their kids and want to withdraw from the program, they should ask for refunds as early as possible, because most camps do give their money back, but they do request an advance notice. And some of the nonprofit camps are actually asking parents to leave their payment as a deposit for next year. Now, regarding daycare, they have been affected a lot. Until the number of infections significantly doesn't go down, parents won't be so satisfied to send their children once they're all reopened. Bright Horizons, which is a child care provider that runs about 1,100 daycares in the United States, Canada, and other countries as well, their spokeswoman said that as the centers will be ready for reopening, it will follow guidance from governors, the CDC, and local institutions. She said that parents can expect deepened health and safety precautions, which will include health checks on everyone who enters the center every single day. Constant hand washing will take place, and employees will be wearing masks. So parents, please do research and ask as many questions as you can from the summer camp advisors as well as the child care service centers. Be fully assured and confident with all safety measures being taken place when sending your children away. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's news.